Okay, so I got this 2014 Mazda, came in the shop, and originally diagnosed as a bad high pressure fuel pump. You know, check spark, all that stuff, it'd fire up on carb clean. We had good fuel pressure from the tank. Car wouldn't start, Pulled the plug, they're pretty fouled up, so I cleaned them, put it back in. I could see the cylinders wet, so you know, and you can't really get to the injectors on this car. It's a direct inject without pulling the manifold off. To me it looks that way. So by chance, when I pulled the plug after some more testing, it didn't smell like fuel. This is the gas that came out of the fuel line going to the high pressure pump. I've never seen fuel look like that before. It's crazy. Something to look for.